Hey there, my name is Emily and I'm from the onboarding team here at Moz. In these 5 short daily fix videos, we'll be talking through a handful of tips and tricks for collecting more keywords, and we'll show you how to organize your keywords into lists and to start to track them in a Moz Pro campaign to collect even more data on how you're performing. You can book a one-on-one walkthrough with the Moz onboarding team. And if you're new to Moz, please don't forget to set up a free trial so we can set you on the path to success. To start your keyword research, head to Keyword Explorer. This can be accessed from this drop-down here or from the side panel. Enter your seed keyword. This may be a broad industry term or a product type or category on your site. If you sell bicycles, for example, you might enter the keyword bolding bicycles. Select the location from this drop-down and click Analyze. Within keyword suggestions, there are a bunch of filters that you can play around with. Grouping keywords by low lexical similarity means that words with similar meanings can be grouped together. Low lexical means you'll end up with larger groups of keywords. High lexical means that you'll end up with smaller groups of keywords. You can click here to add them to a list. You can repeat this for another seed term like electric bikes or e-bikes. And in just a few clicks, we've got 2 lists that we can review. And when we're ready, we can add them to a Moz Pro campaign to track rankings over time. Again, check that box and click Add to Campaign. Or alternatively, you can add it to a keyword list to continue your research. Say if you run a bicycle commerce store, think about all the other categories on your site and enter these as seed terms and create lists that reflect your site architecture. Soon, you'll build up a collection of keyword lists that you can dive into when you're writing product descriptions or other copy for your site. Thanks for staying with me, and I hope this helped.